Hi, I'm Dennis Riccio and welcome to Horton Creek near Payson, Arizona. The Horton Creek Trailhead is located 20 minutes north and east of Payson on Highway 260 at the Tonto Creek turnoff. It's a multi-use trail popular for hiking, fishing, and mountain biking. The Horton Springs Trail is 4 miles to Horton Springs and a total of 8 miles to the Mogollon Rim. The Upper Tonto Creek Campground is an established campground at the head of Horton Creek. Fishing at Horton Creek is subject to special regulation. It is lure and fly only with a single barbless hook. Everything at Horton Creek is catch and release. Horton Creek's many waterfalls are popular for visitors of all ages. Come visit the cool mountain falls at Horton Creek right outside Payson, Arizona. I'm Dennis Riccio and welcome to Horton Creek near Payson, Arizona.